for mentia to bibi and Miss Hamo bibi aquaba in Fambre and Cassette. So we for me did this about the endowment to bibi on yeah. Ukopie mu Accra High Court a and nyame nko aka submission fee nka me ho echi ne ye pamaki ye no the court lawyer Lances efri ni nsema bra Justice Serwaa asawuchi kasa no ne no eyi ano trial judge kasa no ne no eyi ano ka no ka ka nyame nko aka ye yaje ne certificate efri ni nsem se wura baako timi stop submission fee ebusia for yenje branding kuti ense no nchi mu yakoba ya beto so haye nkasa TV aye the update and trending news nko na this me viewers anyhow for me so subscribe to my channel be like no aside do adwunche so good comment section kama me do bi ase
before call the bahono submission fee no eda ya wada no oba courtroom hold up tambe because judge no say submission fee wura court eho that time na cross examination na ma jakpa akoko an nsem no ewie kro ansem submission fee eba nti na nsem a all kan ni sibre wo hin because you were not there and you were seeing but some of the lawyers intervened so apparently submission fee was in court during the cross examination he stepped out and then came back nti no the course of court will be ano won him be nti judge no e ma no kotenase otenase be wa no judge nsaka chance on so ngina ho na assembly na osako kan wo media interview so no na judge na coach say waka bibi say attorney general in fact to quote English said exactly what the judge said. He says if judge no say asema want to submit in fear can say if someone can call the accused without his lawyer then he can call the judge. Say attorney general bit me afre accused person you with japa I man a lawyer can want to say judge cry or ras no wait na submit in feature mu say one kasa if the attorney general can call the accused person without his lawyer, then he can call the judge. But okay, say if someone or the attorney general can call the accused person without his lawyer, then he can call a judge. So one can't the judge or can a judge. That is only judge we are or tia seven so. And no.
But so to be full be a able to do the judge be able to my friend.
And one seven on your marker. But judge just if you are so about you know. In fact, the quote again is Samijin Fee should be responsible with his commentary around this case. In fact, he went back and forth. In fact, Judge Kasa didn't answer Samijin Fee and answer no so Kasa. Person touch him in same. Judge says, "Oh, ba me court ah. Okay, ma me Kasa wi answer na wakasa." Until he go back and forth. In fact, for almost 5 minutes, Samijin Fee was on his feet. Judge ne kan wakan. So man can see, me can see. Until former Attorney General Marietta blew up upon. No court will be, and also general answer. In fact, before Basso general answer, not judge na kase na or a prosecutor. Before by judge na a prosecutor, Tama prosecutor na Marietta be appear upon and a attorney general into Nipa na the former boss, a attorney general department. Into Marietta be appear upon a original house. Sa back and forth here, journalists for new be our higher shebi. Into Yanka judge no. Enyan to boss, na Samina Vinsu Yan to boss. Na se ombeka se mi wechi kra na judge no say we dey any problem se courtroom hire na obeka asem na obeka nyina nti Marietta blew appear upon try say anka obeka judge no say okay omo Samijin Fee so kana nuntum na judge no so entering down a little bit. The judge did not budge, so Marietta blew appear upon sat down and said that okay, this is your court to manage, you can manage it the way you wish to do so. So the judge issued a stern warning to Samijin Fee say Minister Kayemu court case here regarding Dr. Ato Forson. He should be responsible in a statement. And yes, I know Samijin Fee so fighting back say he has always been responsible when it comes to this case. And so he sat down, the court was adjourned, and then the judge called Samijin Fee, Marietta blew appear upon, and all the lawyers representing the various parties say, "Oh man, the chamber," so that they can have a conversation about that. Especially when man stern instructions and warning say all the lawyers and the parties to this case, so much say, "Omonsam Kayemu no, enkofa bibi enkoto amanfo adwemu." Na so ochene bi ochone judgment amanfo beka say bia judgment no akosi na akosi because of attorney general nti na say because of obinti. No the judgment obetro there. Obetro. Na ekoso abontin, na ekoso courtroom ho evidence in one affecting in writing the judgment. What people see outside will not affect it. But a month for Kosuki can say, I'm sure not trying judgment. A month for Kosuki it be an BBC. So a specific case of Richard Jakpa, he was in court, but he did not take the witness box to continue his cross examination. Just that there was a stern warning to all the parties on both sides. Say they must ensure say in some kind money and home some ekokono. Omo na say ama and degenerate in some ango senior beya every case you want some ango asante. I see. So
beyond that, court also granting interviews in command.
In fact, Samiji if he still spoke to journalists, he said he disagreed with the judge. If the judge makes a point, say Onuwaka say the judge, because on the Waka say a judge, he did not talk about this particular sitting judge. But as far as they and the NDC are concerned, they will continue to make their points when this case arises, so that the general public will know all that is going on. Any attorney general and then deputy, after or say Attorney General has no plan to resign. As far as he's concerned, Attorney General has no plan to resign. He's currently on official assignment outside the country, and that even calls to investigate all that is happening. It is baseless. And see, the cause of course.
Okay, so you have to come on. So fortunately, last time you have a kind of communications director for the NDC. Last time you have kwaba, you know what he's saying.
That's your man.
Minister Dajini. Oh yeah, Obomodia. But to start with, Kwakwa Santia reporter say there was a standoff between a judge. What really was the issue?
Oh, some trouble there. I don't know if I can call it a standoff. I'm saying, and the proceedings in the ban my lady called me to come to the witness box. I'm saying, surprising kakra. And she asked me, say, at the last agenda date, time Ben I'm back court. When was I in court? And I tried to find out, when was I in court? My lady respectfully per time I try to understand the question. I was not getting the clarification. Then Obisa lawyer Edwiji Tamaklo. Lawyer Edwiji Tamaklo answered the way he understood it. And I were court at the time in the course of the proceedings. Not would there be me by actually Abrana my lady say me by actually craft Abrana court in the reassembly. And a lawyer did you see there be? Me buy nti ocheche mu no my lady ka say oh okay no free say bia na mini court na court no etna sem can be etna se can be we ansa na meba na lawyer dey see there be because say Jakpa adanse no bombshell no drop us no dem wo ye menya kakra nti that was bia na my lady enifa me so kakra nti my lady ka say okay say dey akotena se
okay so
nti no echi no my lady raised concerns about public commentary kasa ekoso efa assembly da court no na ne worry ne say hwe ya na obi akokan bibia ebegu court no hufi na asemo a odi no esa na asemo na yebasa na akwa court no indike be ya yento ni down na yenye circumspect no mu na lawyers ni bi ene no kasa se omode omunye boni bia Ato Forson lawyer Dr. Banse say yenye boni bia nti my lady kasa yenyina ayafom yenyina yenya my lady say afanfa ni nyina afom na tadio sorry so no de onye boni bia the client Mr. Japanye boni bia na lawyer Aziz Bassett Bamba say the client nye boni bia Dr. Ato Forson Attorney General na ko issue press release akoke cancel afa Dr. Ato Forson nti enumunu enem se lawyer ba ko bisa se my lady asem potse ben pa na wate a enu ntina o kasa asemi no yes on kai bibia ba wo mu a kai bibi no so kai nipa obi ka se if the Attorney General can go and see an accused person without his lawyer there then that person can see the judge na why in the kasa nti my lady bisa na ben presa na me obo midi because me in casa to be dinner be sorry my lady say the me kan ne dia
na person uti dia
ene baby ka crash matobi aba ho because me can say if Godfrey Dame can go and be meeting with accused persons on the blind side of their lawyers this way there then he can meet a judge a registrar yes any specific. What they say because with accused person, it just a bit I share will be just to win the case.
So to me will be
be a ye didn't send court. I will say wabo micro no. Now we lawyer. Now as a for Ghana lawyer Penia. Unimum run say